Diploma in Urdu is designed for students who want to enhance their knowledge of Urdu literature, grammar. A strong foundation in Islam and media. Students who are pursuing this diploma must complete the OULP-01 project, which focuses on applying Urdu language skills in real life and academic context. Preparing a good synopsis, creative writing, good synopsis, project report, timely approval, successful completion. Many students face difficulties in writing their IGNOU project or synopsis due to lack of proper guidance, understanding of project format and topic selection. If you are struggling with your OULP-01 project, Self-GAN is here to help. We provide expert in writing support and complete project help for Diploma in Urdu course. Our team ensures best project approval rate and on 5 or visit selfganignu.com for personalized assistance and support. Remember, the time for submitting IGNOU synopsis and projects is limited for December. The synopsis submission period is from February to April to May, so do not delay. Help from Self-GAN to achieve success easily. Make your IGNOU